TOA is a great element of the transformation of our brand, specifically through the experience that our clients or prospects have with us, because it's giving us an opportunity to meet them where they are in a completely different kind of experience, whether it's in workshops, whether it's in panels, whether it's in matchmaking, whether it's in the booth experience, whether it's in a casual experience. We're meeting these clients on their own terms, and that's a great element for us.
At T-Systems we have the new claim, let's power high performance, and now we want to find out what does it mean for other people, for clients, for normal citizens, and that's why we are here.
Of course, you have to listen to the customers, and here TOA provides a different platform. It's much more creative here, it's much more open-minded, it's much more flexible, much more young people, and within that, listening to the customer creates additional benefits.
You can walk into the TOA, you can walk into the open labs. Nobody cares about if you're a corporate, if you're a student, if you're just a creative person which want to participate in the community, be creative, do some brainstorming together, and you can really sharpen those new ideas which are really envisioning for us.
So my personal most valuable experience was sitting down with other guests and other listeners and discussing topics that are being discussed on stage, off stage. It's just interesting to get together in this really beautiful and well-made space.
I think it's very important to create a space that allows different people from different backgrounds to come together around a common purpose and a common theme. And that's what's happening here, where conversations can happen that not only focus on the business as usual conversations, but more where you can relate as a person and as a human being and exchange yourself and take something away that you can take on as a person, but also in your professional career.